Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I actually skipped Thriftmas. So this is going to be a new day for Thriftmas, and I'm actually not going to be doing that day because I just honestly wasn't feeling that great yesterday, but I'm back. And if you guys are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Dana and I am doing Thriftmas this year, which is super fun. So I'm actually at a Goodwill right now in Salem, New Hampshire. So we're gonna go see what is inside here. I've been here before, and to be completely honest, it's not that big and there's not a lot of stuff in here, but I just wanted to come here to see what is in here. I don't know, I feel like I came the month that they opened and it's been a few more months, so I feel like a lot more people know that they can drop off some of their donations here, so hopefully we can find some good stuff. It's also Sunday today, so today is the 8th, and I'm feeling like everything is going to be a little bit picked over because I'm not sure if Goodwill puts like more clothes out on Sundays. Like I don't know how like Goodwill does like their whole thing with putting out new racks and new inventory and things like that. So we'll see how this Goodwill is. I'm just gonna go in there with like an open mind just to see what they have. Hopefully they have some like sweatshirts and crew necks because that's what I'm really looking for, because it's snowing here, it's cold, and yeah, I feel like a lot of people are just looking for sweaters and hoodies and things like that just in general because it's obviously going to be winter soon. So yeah, wish me luck and let's go in. Okay, so I'm now in the dressing room. I'm about to try on a few items that I ended up picking up. I'm not gonna lie, I did pick up a few of these because I didn't find anything else. There's really only one thing that I absolutely know that I'm getting. So we'll see how this try on goes. Okay, so this is the first top. I feel like I would like it if I cropped it under the 4th button here, because I feel like it's a little bit long. If it was like a little bit longer, I would like it better so I can wear it with like dresses in the summer. But if I were to wear it right now, I would like it cropped with like high-waisted like mom vintage Levi jeans. I don't know. What do we think, guys? I'm definitely going to crop this if I do end up getting it. Okay, so this is the next top. I already know that I don't like it, but I honestly just wanted to try it on just to see what the color would look like on me. But this is just what this sweater looks like. Okay, so this is the next top. I don't think I like it. I don't like the colors on me. I feel like I would like it if it was cropped. This one's a no. This is the last shirt that I'm trying on. I automatically already knew that I was going to end up buying this because I like to wear these shirts with biker shorts. I like the whole oversized look, so I'm definitely getting this like baby blue vintage New York shirt. So I'm back at my house because it's too dark outside to film this in my car, but I'm home and I just wanted to let you guys know that I ended up getting only one thing, and it was the New York shirt. This is a really cool vintage blue, baby blue shirt, so I wanted to get this to resell. But yeah, other than that, I don't really go to that Goodwill in Salem, New Hampshire that often because they don't really have a lot of stuff, and if they do, then there's other resellers going there getting it, or I don't really know. But whenever I do go to Salem, I like to go to the Salvation Army on Wednesdays because they have 50% off. And yeah, so that is going to be the end of this Come Thrifting with me. I'm sorry it wasn't long. That's just kind of like how it is with different thrift stores. You kind of just have to go to the ones and try out different ones and go to a bunch of different thrift stores near you just to see which ones are your favorite. And yeah, so this is going to be the end of this Come Thrifting with me. I hope you guys are enjoying these little thrift trips and this Thriftmas so far. And tomorrow is going to be 50% off at Savers, so I'm probably going to be going to 2 in New Hampshire, so I'm excited about that. And I will see you in tomorrow's Thriftmas video. Bye guys!